Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at an accessory designed to make flying your DJI drone with the RC or RC2 remote a bit more comfortable and secure. This is the CQT adjustable lanyard strap, which also comes with 2 pairs of replacement controller sticks. It's specifically marketed for the DJI Mini 4 Pro, Mini 3 Pro, Air 3, and Mavic 3 Pro remotes, which all use either the RC or RC2 controller. One of the immediate benefits of using a lanyard like this is the ability to take the weight of the controller off your hands and neck. When you're out flying for extended periods, especially if you're standing or moving around, holding the remote can become tiring. A good lanyard distributes that weight, allowing your hands to relax a bit, which can potentially lead to smoother stick control. Beyond comfort, there's the added security. Having the remote tethered to you significantly reduces the risk of accidentally dropping it, which is a major concern given the cost of these controllers. The CQT lanyard itself appears to be adjustable, which is crucial. People have different heights and preferences for where they want the controller to sit. Being able to easily adjust the length means you can find that sweet spot where the screen is at a comfortable viewing angle and your hands can naturally rest on the sticks and buttons. The attachment mechanism is also important. It needs to be secure and easy to connect and disconnect from the remote. For the RC and RC2 controllers, these lanyards typically attach to the small mounting points near the base of the controller sticks. A robust connection point is key to trusting the lanyard with your expensive remote. Now let's talk about the included controller sticks. Getting 2 extra pairs is a nice bonus. The original DJI sticks are good, but having spares is always useful. Sticks can get lost, damaged, or perhaps you just prefer a slightly different feel or grip. While the description doesn't specify the material or feel of these CQT sticks, the fact that they are included suggests they are intended as direct replacements. It would be interesting to see how their texture and tension compare to the stock sticks. Having multiple pairs means you can keep a set as backups or perhaps even experiment if they offer a different tactile experience. Considering this accessory is designed for multiple popular DJI drones like the Mini 4 Pro, Mini 3 Pro, Air 3, and Mavic 3 Pro, it covers a wide range of users with the RC or RC2 remote. It seems like a practical addition for anyone who flies frequently or in situations where extra security is desired. The combination of the adjustable lanyard for comfort and safety, plus the spare controller sticks, makes it a potentially valuable accessory bundle. It addresses both the ergonomic aspect of flying and provides useful spare parts. For pilots looking to enhance their flying experience and protect their investment, a setup like this is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.